sounds pretty disgusting, I think, anyway. But it's not meant to be musical. It is one of those things that's supposed to help you out, and that is to warm up. Now, for those that are interested, a warm-up exercise is basically one of those things that helps you do just that. It warms your tendons, gets your fingers working independently, and that's going to be the same for everything, whether you're playing chords, single notes, jazz, funk, fusion, pop, rock, metal, classical, whatever. If you warm up, your fingers are going to coordinate and work with you a lot better, a lot easier, and everything will sound and feel a lot smoother. So, that said, there's a few exercises which we can do. That is one of them. So I'm going to go through that one first. So this is exercise number 1. So what we do is basically we have 1 finger per string and 1 finger per fret. So hopefully you've got all 4 fingers on your left hand if you're a right-handed guitar player, and on your right hand if you're a left-handed guitar player. So your first finger's on the thick string, second finger's on the A string, third finger's on the D, and your fourth finger is on the G. You just strum down those 4 strings. Then you swap that whole entire thing around. So you've got your fourth finger on the E, your third finger on the A, second on the D, first on the G. Then we move to the next set of 4 strings and do exactly the same thing. So this time you should have 1 finger, oh itchy nose, 1 finger on the A string, 2 finger on the D, 3 finger on the G, and your 4th finger on that B string. Then swap that round, so you've basically got little finger on the A string, first finger on the B. Go to the next set of 4 strings, and then exactly the same thing again. Swap it around. Oh, sorry, swap it around. So you end up with it's almost jazzy in a sense. So that is kind of the idea for that, and then what you're going to try and do is just move up fret by fret by fret, so you gradually get into the thinner part of the fret. So exercise 2 is going to go like this. And then you can work that up and down the fretboard as much as you like to warm up. Breaking that little exercise down, you're going to end up with a similar thing to the first one. First finger, 1st fret, 6th string. Second finger, 2nd fret, 5th string. Ooh, sounds spooky. The 3rd fret, 4th string, 3rd finger. 4th finger, 4th fret, 3rd string. And then 1st finger, 3rd string, 1st fret. Second finger is going to go on to the 2nd fret on the 4th string, and then your 3rd finger is on the 3rd fret, 5th string, and your little finger is on the 4th fret, 6th string. And basically you do the same thing, and then just go on to the next set of 4 strings, next set of 4 strings, and then walk it up 1 fret. So what that's going to do is not only work your fingers individually, because you're kind of walking them across each fret, but you're going to use alternate picking to go through it as well. You can, I mean, it doesn't, you don't have to use alternate picking, but it's just going to work your picking. All right. So another thing to do, again keeping now 1 finger per fret kind of idea, is just to do some chromatic like scales or chromatic runs. So we're going to have fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, fret 4 on each string, using 4 different fingers. So something else you can do, which doesn't require having a guitar, is to do some stretches. So what I've been showing before is to basically pull your wrist gently, not forcing it like mad, back and hold it for 10 seconds. I'm not going to hold it for 10 seconds right now, just showing you. Pull down that way, so you've still got your arms straight, and then you're pulling your wrist down that way. hold again for 10 seconds, and the other one is to try and pull back, if I can show you like that, on the thumb, so you're stretching all possible ways of those tendons. Again, it's just going to give them a slight bit of friction to warm up and hopefully prevent any kind of injuries for guitar related injuries. So there you go. So there's 4 different ways to try and warm up. You can use one of those, you can use all of those, or you can do none of those and just hope that you don't get any injuries. That's it really. If you want to play along with the drum tracks that I've got on my website, then go along to that, which is dansguitar.com. Anyway, if you like these videos, please like and subscribe and give it a thumbs up, hit the bell and come along to the Patreon page for $1 just to support this channel, and I shall see you all soon for another video, another lesson and something along the way. See you later.